Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my brothers and sisters. I hope so you are all well. Welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about Gunnah. That is very important rule. Gunnah. What is Gunnah? Gunnah mean make a sound, hold a sound, read a sound in your nose. Gunnah mean make a sound in nose. When you will make a sound in nose, you will make a sound on nose on noon shadda and meem shadda. Okay, you will make a sound in nose on noon shadda and meem shadda. There are 2 points: noon shadda, meem shadda. Okay, how? Before we start, I want to request you, please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon and share with others. Thank you so much. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. There is the word. There is a noon shadda. As I told you, make a sound in nose on noon shadda and meem shadda. How? يظن jannatin. Hold in your nose for 2 seconds. يظن jannatin. We will not say jannatin. Okay, let's see other examples. Wannashitati. This is a noon shadda. We make sound in nose. Wannashitati. Same. Wannazi'ati. So make a sound in nose on noon shadda and meem shadda is called Gunnah. Let's see the examples of meem shadda. Okay, so when you make Gunnah, how you check you really make Gunnah or not? If you press your nose with 2 fingers, you can't make sound in nose. It means you really make Gunnah. Must try it. So when you say one, if I press my nose with my 2 fingers, one, I can't make hold. So it means I really make Gunnah. This is a big trick to check. Okay, let's see the examples of Gunnah in Holy Quran. So there is the ayat وَالْقَمَرَ وَالنُّجُومَ. Okay, we hold on Nun Shadda. There is an example of Mim Shadda. ثُمَّ اسْتَوَى. ثُمَّ اسْتَوَى. Okay, hold on Mim Shadda. There is another example. Inna rahmatallahi. Okay, hold on Nun Shadda. And Qaribum minal muhsinin. Qaribum. Another example. Innahu la. So make a sound in nose. Okay, let's see the example of here. Libaladim. Mim shadda, make sound in nose. Okay, so in Surah Nas there is a lot of nun shadda, as you can see. Bi Rabbin Nas, nun shadda, make sound in nose, make Gunnah. Malikin Nas. Next, Ilahin Nas. So I hope so you understand. Gunnah mean make sound in nose. And when you make Gunnah on Nun Shadda and Mim Shadda. It's very easy rule. Try, do practice. So I hope so you like this video. In next video I will tell you about Ikhfa rules and other Tajweed rules. So please follow my channel, subscribe my channel, share with others. Thank you so much.